Good evening, guys. It's your girl, Cheryl Jordan, and
Buddy.
we have another package that we want to open. This is actually a kit from. Let's see, who is it from? He's getting in there. Check him out. What do we got?
That's for girls.
That's for girls. Listen to him. We got books from Farmasi.
You said this is for Papa.
Open up the box.
Ow! My chest.
This is the pharmacist starter kit.
Oh yeah, they even
which is $19.
Oh.
$19.99, I think. Well, it's under $20. There is a kit for females and a kit for the males. Let's see what it comes with. You get a bag. Look good, feel good. Okay. More books.
More bags.
Couple of bags, and those are the samples. We got charcoal black mask. Cool. Charcoal, this is Dr. Tuna for the cracked heels. And this is the X2 double effect. What is it? It's two different things. I need bifocals, bigger glasses. Okay, Scrappy. Go let JoJo in. And we have the vitalizing. And this is what actually comes in the box. This is what you get for $19.99. Several books. Skincare guide.
This is some nice books.
Very nice bags. So guys, I will post the information up under the video. And once again, Buddy and I thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.